Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare YouTube channels using your mobile browser step by step. First of all, open any browser on your phone like Chrome or Safari and in the search bar, type View Stats and open the website. Once you're on the home page, tap on the three lines menu at the top right corner of the screen and select More Tools from the given options. After that, select Compare Channels. Here, you will see two channels already listed by default. Now, tap on Change at the top of the first channel box and enter the name of the channel you want to compare. I'll go with iShowSpeed. Then, tap on Change again at the top of the second channel box and enter your next desired channel. You can type any channel name you want or use the one already given. Now, once you've added both channels, scroll down the page and you will see a detailed comparison including views, subscribers, estimated revenue, engagement rate, and more. This lets you quickly see how the two channels perform against each other, and that's all. That's how you can easily compare YouTube channels on your phone using the View Stats website.